Hi, I'm Damon Stratton with Stratton Vantage Property Management. Managing a rental property in the Phoenix area isn't just about hard work. It's about having the right expertise and resources on your side. With over 20 years of local experience, our team understands Phoenix's unique rental market, and we handle every detail so that you can enjoy stress-free, profitable ownership. Here's how we make that happen. We market your rental property with professional photos, virtual tours, and syndication across top rental sites. And we back it with our 12-month tenant guarantee. We screen tenants thoroughly to ensure steady, reliable rental income. Our maintenance team coordinates everything from preventative care to emergency repairs, protecting your property's value. You get transparent financial reporting and ACH deposits through your secure owner online portal. We perform routine inspections, handle rent collection, and if needed, we even manage evictions and re-rent your property for free. And what sets Stratton Vantage apart? We don't charge anything up front, and we don't charge anything while your home is vacant. Our fee structure is simple. We charge a flat $125 per month and a flat $599 for tenant placement. Our tech-enabled tools, combined with boots-on-the-ground expertise, give you the best of both worlds. At Stratton Vantage, we're committed to maximizing your property's performance while making ownership effortless. If you're ready to get started, schedule a free consultation today and see how we can put your Phoenix investment first.